Hello, teacher. My name is Carlos Alberto Jauregui Tiveros, and I'm 18 years old from day to Friday and the morning. And I'm head up and early brush my teeth and dress they and have breakfast and go to class. And the afternoon and have lunch, do my homework and go to work. And the evening, I have dinner, relaxed for a while, and go to play basketball, and finally go to bed. And this is my daily routine.